Down by the lake, I found the key, and everything changed suddenly. Spent so long trying to be free. I let the breeze just carry me. A little hope, a tiny spark, to weave some color in the dark. And from the waves into the blue, a little warmth to see me through. Get me home, see the forest burning, and the lights are low. Tonight, we'll talk till dawn, with all the stars aligning. Won't you guide me home? Tonight, in city streets I lost my way, a prisoner of the day-to-day, and everywhere I see your
Jun Yong, she's not in Malaysia actually. She said, give me a call, it's urgent. So Jun, you're on the line. Where are you, la girl?
Woo! Guess who's in Australia? We just took Air Asia X to Perth, Western Australia, baby. And yesterday, we visited Fremantle Market and we had this thing called Guangdong Jet. It's an Australian fruit that tastes kind of like raspberries, strawberries, and peach.
all the stars aligning. Won't you guide me?
We went on gourmet trails, swam with the dolphins, and learned a lot about the Adelaide Central Market.
Last stop, a 4-wheel drive tour!
Explore 4-wheel drive tracks throughout the Fleurieu Peninsula, only 45 minutes south of Adelaide.
Be treated to world-class food and discover unspoiled beaches, breathtaking coastlines.
Tonight.